Hi, we are starting day 4 of our writing expository essay. On this one, we are talking about the body paragraphs and the topic sentence. We've already covered thesis statement. We've covered introduction, looking at the prompt. We've covered introductory paragraph and body paragraph. And so today we're going to really focus on our body paragraphs part of the essay. You will read through all of the information on slides 1 through 16 and watch the videos on slide 2. Open the attached assignment in Canvas to practice identifying and writing strong body paragraphs. So this is the information, and then there's another assignment that has the attached assignment on it. We will be looking at what's called the tree method for writing a body paragraph. Tree method would be topic, sentence, reasons, example, explain. And then we wrap it up, we end it with our transitions. When we're looking at the process, of course, with our outline for writing, remember the body paragraphs include topic, sentence, reasons, examples, quotes, evidence, explanations, and transitions. And then we have our looking at our essay writing. The body paragraph should have a single sentence that begins, the topic sentence is a single sentence that begins the paragraph. It should state what the paragraph will be about. The topic sentences do not have any quotations, and it should relate directly to the points because, like the because points made in the thesis statement. Examples in quotes and evidence, your examples will be very specific and help your reader visualize your reason, and it will prove your thesis statement. And then you should have some explanations. So if you say an example, you say, for example, or if you give a quote or you give some evidence that supports your topic sentence, then you need to explain why you put that in there. Your explanation needs to dig deeper and explain the connection between your topic sentence and your evidence. If you get stuck, focus on explaining a word or a phrase from the quote, but you need to have an explanation. And then your concluding sentence in your body paragraph would be round off the paragraph and provide a concluding sentence. So you kind of want to just wrap it up. In your mentor essay, here's an example of one of the body paragraphs. It said, having a good friend in life means having someone to rely on with virtually anything, from holding a phone while running a race to holding secrets from the rest of the world. So here's your topic sentence. And then you have a real friend is like a rainbow after a storm, someone to depend on and not let one down in times of need. That would be what we would consider an explanation. And then we have an example. For example, one can count on a real friend to bring forgotten shoes needed for after-school basketball practice just in time for practice to start. So that's your example. So and then for our tree model, we have our topic, we have our reason with an explanation, reason with examples, and then we're going to round it all up with a true friend will be that dependable person in one's life that is always there without question or second thought. So our good topic sentence will be a single declarative sentence that relates directly to the points and reasons, the because of the thesis statement. It conveys the main idea of the paragraph. It's precise. It uses precise and specific words. It's brief, but it will only include important information. It's very clear, and the reader should know what the paragraph will be about simply by reading the topic sentence. Now, here's an example of a well-written topic sentence. The traffic light is one of society's most efficient inventions because it helps manage traffic and conserve fuel. Now, that is actually clear and well-written. If we say the traffic light is a great invention, it doesn't give enough details. Don't say in this paragraph I'm going to discuss. Don't ever say that in your writing. Nowhere in your paper should you say in this paragraph I'm going to discuss, or today we're going to cover this. Don't say that. Just tell me what you want to say. Just write the sentence explaining what you are trying to say. And then supporting examples, support the topic, sentence, and thesis statement. It includes specific facts. It can have quotes, details, examples that will help your reader visualize your reason and prove your thesis. It's real important to show, don't tell. Show what you want to say. Don't tell what you want to say. Don't tell us the boy is happy. Show us the boy is happy by the things that are going on around the boy, by the boy's actions, and by the way people react to the boy. Be directly related to the main point in which you're trying to establish. Some supporting examples would be, according to phys.org, synced or connected traffic lights can conserve fuel as much as 20%. See, it's got facts here. There are a lot of traffic lights everywhere. Well, that's very poor. It doesn't give us very much supporting examples. In fact, the traffic light helps save lives. Well, yes, but tell us, like, how much? Like, how does it help save lives? What's the point of that? Your explanations, after you state your topic sentence and provide an example, you will want to explain your example. The explanation is in your own words, connecting your example to your topic sentence. And remember, a good explanation is written in your own words. It links to the example, to the topic sentence. It helps to link multiple examples together, and it presents the audience with thought-provoking information. And a great explanation of examples. So the topic sentence is, the traffic light is one of society's most efficient inventions because it helps manage traffic and conserve fuel. According to phys.org, synced or connected traffic lights can conserve fuel as much as 20%. So a good explanation would be, when traffic lights are properly synced, motorists spend less time idling at red lights, which leads to less fuel consumption. Don't say this proves that traffic lights conserve fuel. Show us in your example that this is happening. And don't say, why are all lights synced? That's really not what you are trying to explain what you just wrote. And then your transition closing, once you've provided the adequate examples and explanations, you will complete each body paragraph with either a transition or a closing statement, using transitions when you have more body paragraphs to write. And use a closing statement when you complete your last body paragraph. Some transitions. If we look at transitions, a good transition will logically link one topic to another, inform the reader that you have additional points to make, lead into the next body paragraph. Some examples of useful and effective transitions would be, like, if you want to say addition, say furthermore, in addition, likewise, moreover, also, as well as. Or if you want to compare something, you'll say similarly, in comparison, likewise, also. If you want to end something, you'd say all in all, in conclusion, in summary, to summarize, all things considered clearly. There's lots of different ways that you can use these useful transitions, so read over those. And then your mentor essay second body paragraph with transition. So it says over here that this topic sentence connects the first reason in the body paragraph 1 to the next reason in body paragraph 2 by using the transition words not only and but. The word also is used to transition into another explanation and the concluding sentence in the paragraph. So you say, a good friend is not only someone to rely on, but a good friend is also someone to trust, without a shadow of a doubt. And down here they say, for instance, if a person has a crush on someone. And then we have also, a good friend can be that person to just listen when someone is having a bad day and need to talk out their feelings or get something off their chest. So here's body paragraph 2 and how it has the topic sentence, but it has transitions. And then we have great explanations, examples, and then we close up our body paragraph 2. And then good transition examples would be, in addition to saving fuel, effective traffic light placement also saves lives, and poor ones would be traffic lights also save lives because there's nothing transitioning. And now it's your turn. You're going to open the attached assignment below to practice identifying and writing strong body paragraphs.